So, we decided to go to Ikea to play hide and seek. We made it to where it's our own game with our own rules and our own fun. So, we broke up into teams of 3 with 3 people each. Team 1 with myself, Noah, and Nate. Team 2 with Gage, Seth, and Jarrett. And Team 3 with Preston, Logan, and Coleman. Y'all want to carry this too? Camera bag.
Are you ready?
Watch him on one, just be like, why are you throwing it?
I don't think you're supposed to be hitting. This is my...
We're the seekers first. Yeah, Preston.
Hey. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Moving around a lot. Ooh, that could be a good spot.
3 minutes in. Place is huge. 0 people found.
So these are going to be the names of all my children. Bornxmas, Reaper, Mr. Holt, and Borgsta.
We're gonna have a lovely family. Just heard Jarrett and Seth get caught.
Look at all these shower heads. It's like at least 7.
What's up, buddy? Why don't you just come over here?
I'm taking a shower, you perv.
Date, Preston saw me. Currently on the run.
Alright, we're about 6 minutes in. Still haven't found me. They walked right past me. They had found my 2 other teammates. I think we're just gonna chill here until get some news.
I got you too, man.
Update, guys. They found me while I was taking a leak. So
There's a hider right outside there.
I feel like they see me.
Where are you, Gage?
There's a hider right outside there.
Honestly, I have no clue where Gage is right now. I feel like I've walked the whole story like 6 times, so it's gotta be somewhere, you know?
Hey,
Dude, I saw you through the curtain. Gage, Coleman, I got Gage. He was in the curtain.
y'all walked right past me.
Where?
He was in the curtain.
You were in.
I know. She went. Oh!
Oh my
So many
god.
people like checking out that one specific room. And I was just sitting in there on my phone, and everybody was like right beside me. I was like, oh my god, no.
Oh, they're talking him to go hide now. I'm about to. They're never gonna find me.
Alright, guys, round 2. First round did not go as planned, but we're not gonna be found this game. We gotta find a good spot though, quick.
Start round 2, baby. Where we go? Oh wait, you're not on my team.
Who's on my team?
Get away from me.
I'm taking a dub.
Get away from me.
We got man with the gaming set up.
This chicken is good. It's what? Good.
Bro. Dude, there's no way they're gonna find us.
This is a good
Wait. What did this man just find?
Shut up, Pablo and Armando.
This is my new hiding spot. Just right beside the bed.
You're trying to get kicked out, you know.
Free drinks. Thank you.
Nothing's free at Ikea. I just heard Gage and Jared. So, decided to take a break and eat some Ikea food, and not gonna lie, it's freaking good. What are y'all thinking? Macaroni's so good. Look at this man. Idiot.
Alright, we're back from our lunch break. Team 3 is in the lead.
Yes, sir.
Team 3, we're doing this. Huh? Probably, yeah. Let's go. Where'd you hide at? Oh, where did you go?
You can get clocks while this can't get
It's true. 3 minutes is about to be up.
I think I found it. Found them, guys. Yeah, they just found Logan. They walked right beside me. Back. What's up, guys? We're back. We're in the greatest hiding spot in hide and seek history. In the back corner. Where's my friends?
Yeah, Sammy. I was looking all through the closets. Oh my gosh.
So guys, we're about 10 minutes in, and I can't find anybody else. Found Logan, but see what happens.
This is a great idea. Because in a horror movie, you know how they open it and close it back open, and then before it gets looks up right here, you don't have to worry about that. Because you have a mirror in the mirror.
So, I think they might be in this section of the store. Not sure. Maybe they went back to the meetup spot. We're gonna find out. About time. How do you feel?
Crap, I didn't expect.
Found.
Oh, gosh, you scared me. Gosh, Marty, dude. Nate found me finally. Gosh. I was just, excuse me. Gosh, I was just playing around. And then you came up behind me. I was sitting there right there for like 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes, 10.
Here is the final score. Team 3 got the dub. Congratulations. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this version of Ikea Hide and Seek. Hope you all enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.